Are you ready to register for the LNAT? Applying to top UK law programs at universities like Oxford, Cambridge, or LSE requires this crucial extra step. You need a flawless registration process to avoid any hitches. Here is the headline you must remember. The registration window opens on the 1st of August and the testing period commences on the 1st of September. It is absolutely critical to book as early as possible. Why the urgency? Test centres have a limited number of slots each day, and they fill up extremely quickly. It is common for all September slots at popular centres to be booked on the very first day. Before you even go to the official website, there are a few things to prepare. First, review your financial assistance options in the Paying for Your Test section of the LNAT site. You might qualify for an LNAT bursary to cover the cost. Alternatively, you may need a voucher if you lack an acceptable payment card or live somewhere with credit card verification issues. Next, arrange any special accommodations. If you need extra time for dyslexia, a vision impairment, or another condition, first create your account, then submit your evidence and wait for approval. Crucially, do not book your test slot until those special arrangements have actually been approved. Booking too early here can create problems that are difficult and stressful to unwind later. Finally, verify your photo ID requirements carefully. The name and details on your LNAT registration form and your UCAS application must match your official ID document exactly. Any discrepancy could stop you sitting the test. Now let us create your account. Go to lnat.ac.uk and click Register Now. Enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your ID and use your primary email for all correspondence. When it asks for your UCAS ID number, do not panic if you do not have it yet. You can take the LNAT before completing your UCAS application. Simply enter 10 zeros as a placeholder for now. It is vital that you update this later once you have your real number. Make a firm mental note of it now, because forgetting this single step can quietly derail your entire application. Next comes the university selection step. You must select at least one university, but it is highly advisable to select all of them. Reassuringly, there are no additional charges for doing this. Selecting every university simply authorises Pearson VUE to release your scores to any of those institutions if they later request them. It keeps all of your options open at no extra cost. Then, create your login credentials. Use a strong, unique password, and do not reuse your email password. Answer the security questions, record your exact answers safely, and you are ready to book. From your dashboard, click the Exam Catalogue link to begin scheduling. Agree to the LNAT policies, then search for test centres by entering your city. You can check up to 3 centres at a time. The calendar will show availability 1 month at a time. Before you select any date, always double-check the deadlines for your chosen universities and make sure your test date falls before their cut-off. Once you select a time, review all your appointment details carefully. If you have an approved bursary or voucher, enter the code here. Otherwise, select your payment card type and proceed to checkout. You will then receive a confirmation email containing a unique LNAT ID number. Record it safely, along with all of your appointment details, exactly as they appear on that confirmation. Now for the single most important post-booking step. If you use the 10 zeros placeholder during registration, you must log back in later and update it with your actual UCAS ID number. Simply log in, click additional information on your dashboard, replace the 10 zeros with your real UCAS ID, and save. If you skip this, your scores may not reach your universities in time. Do not let a simple admin error ruin your application. With your test booked, your focus can finally shift where it belongs, which is towards serious, structured preparation. That is exactly what we built at LawMint.uk. Try a free full-length LNAT practice test today, then unlock the full series of 200 tests with 8,400 multiple-choice questions. And be sure to subscribe to @LNAT Prep on YouTube for more guides.